preschool friends and super scientists. This summer we are going to do lots of science projects and I'm super excited. The first one we're going to do is going to be all about colors, but other than just colors, we're going to make some fizzy stuff happen. There's going to be a little chemical reaction going on, and we're going to make it fun with colors. So for our first experiment, you need to use your box that your supplies came in, and you got a box of baking soda. I put mine in the box already. You can put probably about half of the box in, a little more if you'd like. And then you need you have got some little cups in your supply box too. You can use your cups. I'm using glass so you can see through them while I'm making the video here. And you're going to need your little dropper. That's so we can pick up the water, and we're going to drop it in, or not the water, the vinegar. That's the other special ingredient. It won't fizz if you just use water. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting a little bit of vinegar in each one of the cups. Vinegar looks like water, but it does not smell like water. It's kind of stinky. Okay, don't need really very much. And then we're going to use our food coloring. That's probably something Mom or Dad or babysitter will need to help with. I put my apron on because I don't want to get it on my clothes. This stuff stains, so we have to be very careful. Okay, that's what color is that one? Can you see? I hope you can see okay. That's blue. And then I'm going to add some red. Uh-oh. This red one hasn't been opened yet. Okay, here we go. Probably just need one drop of red. I'm going to cooperate. There we go. And you can use a little green. If you have other colors, you can use other colors. And once we get started, I'm going to show you how to make new colors. This is yellow. Sometimes it looks a little orange though. All right, so you want to just kind of make sure they're all mixed in. Green. Okay, now let's see what happens. Now out of all these colors, green is my favorite, so I'm going to start with green. So you need to squeeze the top of your dropper with your fingers. Put the end in the color, and then squeeze, and then let go, and then you'll have some color in your little dropper. So you want to, woo, there it goes. You need to just squeeze gently to get a few drops out, and then you can see, oh my gosh, it's making bubbles and foam. I sure hope you can see that okay. All right, let's try another color. Some red. That's actually looking kind of orange. Pretty fun to make it bubble like that. You can put as much or as little as you want. It's looking like a little art project here too. It's fun to combine science and art. All right, here's some yellow. Ooh, that's a pretty yellow. Wow, that's looking pretty colorful. You guys enjoy this. Now, what happens if I want to make some purple? Do you know how to make purple? Purple is red and blue mixed together. So I have a little empty ice cube tray. You don't need one of these. You can use more of your little cups if you want to. But I'm going to take some blue, put it in, and then I'm going to take some red. Let's see. I sure hope you can see that. Okay. I think I'm going to add a little more blue. My red is kind of a funny red. Well, let's see what happens when we put this in. You tell me if that's going to look purple. Ooh, sometimes experiments don't quite work. It looks brown, kind of greenish brown. I'm not sure why. That must be the funny red I have. All right. Now we have green already, but if you want to make a different green, you're going to use yellow and blue together. So I'm going to use a lot of yellow and just a little bit of blue, and let's see what happens. I hope this experiment works. All right, that's a very yellow green, maybe a little bit more. Okay. Let's see how this compares with the green we already had. It definitely looks like, oh yeah, it's a little brighter. That's up at the top. Can you see that okay? Wish I had a camera person to help me here. Here we go. Oops, sliding around. Okay, there's one more color that we can mix. I'd like to make some orange. So orange is when we mix red and yellow. So I think we don't need too much red. I'm not sure this is going to work with my funny red though. Might have to show you in the next video. I'm gonna do another video with colors too. Okay, this is looking orange. Let's see, maybe a little more yellow. I think it's so much fun to mix colors and make up your own colors. You can do this with your watercolors too, or any paint that you have. They won't fizz like this though. Okay, here goes our own orange we made. Woo! That was pretty cool. That's fizzing pretty good, huh? You can't see my labradoodle assistant over here, my dog. She's sitting here watching, wondering what I'm doing. Okay, well that was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was our fizzing color experiment. So that was our first experiment of the summer. I'm really excited to be doing these with you, and I hope you enjoy them. And if you have any questions, you can ask me when we're on Zoom next time. All right, have fun, super scientists.